beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atineke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely gorgeous DIY crochet jungle braids using Brazilian wool to achieve this gorgeous crochet braids. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just wrapping a yarn wool around my clothing rack. So after I'm done, I want to secure the yarn wool very well, and you can see I made the wool only one on the clothing rack. So you can see this is the Brazilian wool I'm going to be using. 3 packs of Brazilian wool, then 1 pack of blue. That is 3 packs of black Brazilian wool, then 1 pack of blue Brazilian wool. I didn't finish everything. I did not. I achieved 24 strands because of the hairstyle I want to use it to do. I'm not crocheting it on my hair. Watch out for the next video on what I want to use it to achieve. I used 12 strands of Brazilian wool to achieve 1 strand of jungle box braid. You can see what I did from the beginning. I twist the roots, because if you want to crochet these on your hair, you have to unravel the twist, then put the tip of the jungle braids that we are crocheting, put it inside the hole of where I twist. How will I explain this? But you have to twist from the beginning so that it will be very easier for you to crochet on your hair. If you don't twist from the beginning before you start braiding, it will be very difficult for you. It won't even work out for you to crochet this on your hair because the Brazilian wool will be scattered. But if you twist it together before you start braiding, it will form a loop. So it will be very easier for you to put your crochet hair inside the loop. So you can see what I'm doing. I'll braid. I will remove the little jungle at the body. I don't even know what to say. So if you made a mistake, you can actually lose the hair, then braid it before you pick out where you want to pick out. Do you grab what I'm saying? If you make a mistake, you can actually lose it. Like if you didn't pick the quantity you want to pick, or if it's rough, this is a wool, you can use your nail to pick it out, then it will look so rough. So you can unravel it, then you can pick it again. So that's what I'm trying to explain. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much. And please, if you've not subscribed, can you please support a sis? Help me grow this channel, please. I'm begging you. If you've not subscribed, just click on that subscribe button now. It's not a command, it's a plea. I'm begging you, please make sure you subscribe, and please do not watch my video without you not liking. Make sure you thumbs up, like this video, comment down below, share with your loved one. So I really appreciate.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
This is the final look. Oh my god, oh my god, I really love the outcome of this jungle box braid. I even love the outcome than the expression jungle box braid. I love this Brazilian outcome. So let's add some spice. I'm going to be crocheting this into this twine or yarn, or what will I call it. So just add some spice. If you are still watching to this stage, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support and love. Please do not forget to click on the like button, share with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell. Can you see the final look? You can see the look is kind of telling, turn on this notification bell, subscribe to this channel, subscribe sis. I really appreciate that so much. Just adding some spice, you can never go wrong with adding some spice. So I really appreciate that so much. See my next video. Stay blessed, child. Love you. Thank you so much for watching.